Sanofi is a global healthcare company. We chase the miracles of science to improve people's lives. We provide potentially life-changing treatment and life-saving vaccine protection to millions of people globally.
For any pharma today, one of the challenges is to get infrastructure qualified after it has been built and deployed. This process is quite tedious if the installation procedure is manual. You're required to provide evidence that what you designed on paper matches what's deployed. Additionally, you have to ensure that the infrastructure is secure.
Azure gives Sanofi the ability to easily scale workloads in dynamic ways. With Azure Automation, the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework, or CAF, provides Terraform templates to automate any Azure service. Azure helps to reduce outages and improve MTTR through automation. And with Microsoft and MoBiz's help, we were able to deliver a fully qualified landing zone in Azure in 1/3 the time and 1/3 the budget compared to previous cloud efforts.
Our goal at Sanofi is to automate everything. Getting to 100% automation is going to allow Sanofi to deliver products to the people in need faster. Azure allowed us to tie everything together in a single pane of glass. For example, business requirements, compliance, and infrastructure. Azure is the most tightly integrated product in the market today.
The future with Microsoft is incredibly exciting. Digital transformation at Sanofi is driving a more agile business and a faster time to market to manufacture and deliver medicine.